Welcome to Gold Tree Studios. Come in. I'm Danielle. I'm the general manager here at Gold Tree Studios.
We are a brand new, state-of-the-art turnkey rental facility right here in West Hollywood, California. We're centrally located right in the middle of Sunset Plaza, adjacent to Beverly Hills. Netflix, Apple, and HBO are just down the street. We built the facility to be compliant with NPA, TPN, and Apple audits. We're 10 to 15 minutes away from just about everyone. You're not going to be downtown, Santa Monica, the Valley, or Burbank. You're in an area where you want to be.
We have 2 Atmos rooms. We have
A 926 color grading suite that is also an 11-seat theater. We also have a 924 sound design suite. Both have dual ADR. We also have 2 executive editing suites and 2 junior editing suites. We have a true 1,000 square foot soundstage that has its own hair and makeup room within an adjacent video village. So you can film and edit here all in the same day.
special thanks to Kiko Media for providing our equipment. Thank you for coming in today. We hope to see you soon.